morning everybody, it's Tuesday today and today I am going to do some stuff around the house, so I thought I would vlog. I'm expecting a parcel. I've ordered a new ring for my nose, but I'm not sure whether it's going to fit because it's just a regular earring. I'm just going to do some mug boxing right now, package them up because I'm getting a collection tomorrow. To get some more out of my house. So if you guys are interested and you want to buy a mug, if you want to buy some of my merch, it's always linked down below in the description box. I'm drinking my tea out of one right now. The mug of positivity. It's got buttons on it. Little self promo, they are linked down below. I need to figure out what I want to watch because it is just like a monotonous task. But I don't have anything to watch. I think I'm caught up on YouTube. Oh, okay, I've got a Raw Beauty Christie to watch. I'll watch that. And this camera's about to die, so I'm gonna plug you in while I do that. Oh my god, I also just did my skincare routine. I said it in the last vlog and I'll say it again, you guys. My skin is like the freshest it's been in so long. I have decided though I need to go get my microblading topped up. You can see where it's like, it's fading and like all here's fading as well. I'm falling apart. There we go, some more mugs. They are US. These are UK. I just realised I've been meaning to ask you guys' opinion on something. So I've got quite a bit of my palm leaf wallpaper left over. If you're new here, you won't have seen it in this vlog. This is the wallpaper. This is the leftover. I know I'm gonna frame some of it and use it as like an art piece on one of the opposite walls just to like tie it in the rest of the room. But there will still be quite a bit left over. So I've been trying to think what I want to do with it and I don't know which I would rather do. So my options are this patch of the kitchen wall, because it's only a little bit and I feel like it would look really nice contrasted against the tile to have like the palm print and then like a big clock. Right? You see, you're picturing it? The other option is to put it in the bathroom, but just in the toilet. So the slope would remain white. I mean, remain, it's not been painted yet. But make the walls just a little bit funky. So it's like a fun little surprise when you open the door, it's like, ba-bam! I do think I'm gonna probably do in here like a really dark navy blue. I think I've decided. So yeah, those are my options. I understand that it's quite a statement thing, so I don't want to overdo it, but my office is a room that when guests come round, they don't really go in my office, like, because my office is my office. It's not like, I don't know, where people sit. The door will be closed when people come over, if you know what I mean. So yes, this is wonderful for me and for you guys and for my filming, but when it comes to like everyday life, people coming over, they won't see it. So I'd like to have another little patch of it just somewhere in the rest of the house. Kitchen or bathroom, let me know. Evening, it's 5:30. I look a bit weird right now. Do you ever just do your makeup on one side just to have a play? I just did like a little simple sunset kind of eye. Regret the bottom and I also regret the wing, I think, but that's why you play with makeup. You figure out what you like and what you don't like. Anywho, at the moment I'm just picking out some clothes for a job that I'm going to be doing soon, which I'm really excited about. It's one of my favourite high street shops. I've actually had a really nice day. I've not done anything even vaguely interesting or exciting. I'm in quite high spirits because I've had some social interaction, which is something that I really took for granted before I started working for myself, before everyone went to uni, before I moved out. It's very important to talk to people, which sounds really obvious, but recently I've just been busy working, doing my own little thing, and everyone's kind of busy doing their thing, and I've kind of realised like I haven't spoken to anyone all day. So last night I went to the pub, like I said. So nice to catch up with two of my best boys. And then I had a really nice catch up with Laz today, who you guys know is the friend that me and Tim went to visit in Amsterdam. I just feel like I've kind of re-centered myself and like caught up with everyone, found out what everybody's doing up to. I've kind of like touched base with everybody and I feel good about that. Have I got as much work done as I wanted to today? No. No, I haven't. Do I really care? No. One of my New Year's resolutions was to not neglect friendships, and I'm sticking by that, man. I'm sticking by it. My hair is disgustingly greasy, so I think I'm gonna put in a nice hair mask and take off my makeup. Actually, did I take a picture? I might want to recreate this for a video. Would you like to see a video on this? It's really easy. So yeah, I'll show you guys the hair mask that I'm going to use, and I'm going to actually just keep that on overnight. Let me just quickly take some pictures and then I'll whack on a hair mask with you. Hi! I'm just going to take off my makeup, make myself feel good and do a cheeky little hair mask. I'm going to take off the makeup I have on with this EmmasRectangle Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is probably my favourite cleansing balm. I've tried quite a few in my time, and this is definitely one of my faves. Say goodbye to the sunset. The sun's going down. This segment of the vlog is actually sponsored by Coco and Eve, which is the hair mask that I'm going to use today. This is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. I've used this a few times now because obviously I am not a natural blonde, and I've now been bleaching my hair for nearly 2 years, I'd say. So it is, you know, it's not bad, but it is starting to feel the effects, I think, of the bleach. It is definitely not as soft as it is naturally, or it used to be. So this mask is like really nourishing, really moisturizing. The whole point is that it's meant to make your hair feel like virgin hair, like when my hair used to be virgin before I started bleaching it. I had natural brown hair, and that was when it was virgin hair. Get it? Like a virgin. I just really like that. Sorry, I forgot to wet my hair. I'm just gonna use the brush and just quickly brush through my hair. Once you've brushed your hair, you can see I've used this a few times. I literally just take a blob, kind of rub it between my hands, and I kind of do the first blob just at the top. Believe it or not, this is where I want the least product. But what I do is I just start at the top, and then I go in with that brush and begin to just pull it down the hair, because the roots of my hair have only been bleached once, whereas the ends of my hair have been bleached like, I don't know, 4 times or something. And then I take the second blob, and this goes in the mid-lengths to the ends. Do you like my Sabrina t-shirt? Go back in with your brush and just begin to evenly distribute it. Oh my god, you guys, my hair is gonna feel so nice in the morning. This is so rich and creamy. Also, can we talk about this packaging? How cute is this packaging? This product is not tested on animals. It's 100% vegan, and it's sulfate and paraben free. So it's a good vegan option for you guys. I love that you get this little turban. It's so good. It's got like a little elastic and then a little button, and you just boop. It's so good, so it won't fall off, and it's like really thin, so it's quite comfy. You can sleep in it, which is what I'm gonna do tonight. Fashion, I'm gonna do some skincare really quickly. Peter Thomas Roth 3% glycolic solution cleanser. So good, I absolutely love it. For my second cleanse, I use the Elemis as like the first cleanse to take off my makeup, and then I use this as my second. I still use my Philips, obviously. I love this thing. It's so good. Like, my face feels so clean after. Brushing my teeth, I use the Oral-B, I don't actually remember which one this is, but I think it's their latest one. And I use their 3D whitening therapy toothpaste. I have been for a while now. I was so excited to work with them on their campaign. Their campaign on Instagram. If you press too hard, it goes red. I think that's really cool. I'm still using the same range toner, the glycolic. It's so good. And I love that my hair's all just scraped back, so I don't have to worry about it getting on my hair. My favourite product at the moment is the Ole Henriksen Glow Cycle Retinol Power Serum. So it's their alternative to retinol. It smells amazing, it's purple, and it is making my skin glow. I love this stuff so much. And then the rest of the products at the minute are mostly the same. So if you guys want to see a full skincare routine, like a morning skincare, a nightly skincare, whatever you want to see, leave a comment, let me know, because I am a fiend when it comes to skincare. I just love it. I love trying new products and really finding what works best for me, and this product's actually been a miracle worker. I'm gonna go finish editing now, try and get a moving vlog up for you guys tomorrow. I will show you guys how my hair is looking in the morning. Thank you Coco and Eve for sponsoring this segment of the vlog, and I'll show you guys the after. Good morning. I am absolutely spaced. I'm so tired because I had some horrific dreams last night. Like, I'm actually angry at my brain for doing that to me. They weren't very nice. Sorry, I haven't made my bed yet. Anyway, good morning. It's Wednesday. Today is actually a free day now because I thought I had a meeting in London, which is now on Monday, and I also had therapy and she's sick, so that's cancelled too. So I'm just gonna get loads of work done today. But the first thing I want to do is clean this off my hair. This little towel is so good. You see it like attaches with a button, so it didn't fall off my head. I slept with it on all night and it was absolutely fine. It's so handy. My hair is dry now, but you can feel, I can still feel, obviously it's got the mask in it, which is why it still looks a little bit damp. So I'm gonna go and shower this off. My hair feels so soft. I wish you could feel my hair. It feels so soft. Feeling fresh. Okay, tea. I'd actually already made it so that it would be optimum temperature for when I finish washing my hair. That is a true tea lover, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I've rinsed it out of my hair and my hair feels so soft. It's still wet. It's feeling really smooth. Normally I'll wash my hair and I have to really like gently brush it, comb it through. It's so knotty because I've got a lot of hair, but the actual hair itself is really fine. So it gets really knotty really easy. I have extremely knotty hair. It's really annoying. I have not brushed my hair, honestly. This is unheard of. Unheard of. That's my 2 cents about the Coco and Eve hair mask. Honestly, you guys, if you are in the market, I really recommend it. My hair feels so soft. I feel like obviously texture isn't very clear over camera, but it is. Once it's completely dry, you'll see the shine as well. I placed a wee little order on Missoma the other day, and I've just put in one of my purchases. It is this little tiny Huggy, little like Diamante Huggy, and I'm not one to do sparkles. I don't really do diamonds. I've got a little diamond in my conch. This is from Maria Tash, and that's the only kind of sparkle I wear on any of me, on my jewelry, anything. I'm not a glitzy person, but I actually initially purchased that to put in my nose, but my nose ring has healed around this ring, and this ring is so tiny that I can't fit a regular size hoop in it anymore, which is really sad. So I'm kind of stuck with this nose ring, which I'm actually quite upset about. And then I also picked it out in gold as well, just a gold little Huggy. I don't know, I think it might be a bit much to have two. My lamps here. I interrupt my own interruption. My new lamps just arrived. Do I need some scissors? Oh, can't be bothered to get up. I got it. I really like Habitat. Did I say this is from Habitat? It's from Habitat. They've got some really lovely stuff, and I'm really glad it came quite early in the day because it means I can leave my house. Oh my goodness, it's bigger than I thought, but that's a good thing. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I just bought the bulb that came with it because I always end up buying the wrong bulb. It is this gorgeous bright orange. You guys, I love orange and green are my favorite colors. This is the kind of thing that my dad is either gonna love or hate. I think he might hate it. That's okay. If you're wondering about where the lamp shade is from, this is actually from Made. It was a lamp with like basic black kind of hairpin legs. I didn't really like it that much, but I did really like the shade. Oh my god, that's a statement lamp. Welcome to the family. Morning. It's a really lovely day. It's so sunny. I look so pink. I did just fake tan, so that's probably why I look pink. I just love how the sun comes in. It looks so nice. There's my to-do list. My to-do list is a wee bit expansive today, but that's okay. We'll get everything done. I need to leave for Warwick in like 2 hours, but we'll get it done. This just arrived in the mail. If you don't know what this is a Chemex. It's a like super traditional coffee making system. It's such a nice day. Oh, sun, give it to me. I mean, it looks beautiful because I don't drink a lot of coffee, but when I do drink coffee, I don't really like crappy, like, I went and I picked up sticky bun coffee and it's only filter coffee, and I don't want to get a coffee machine because I don't drink enough coffee. So I thought a Chemex would be really good for me because it is the easiest way to make coffee. I'm gonna try it today. It literally just arrived. There we go. Okay, have I done that right? Got some left over. I could make an iced coffee for the road. Hi everyone, it's like a week later. I'm so sorry I didn't end this vlog. I didn't even tell you what I thought of the coffee. I love it, by the way, and I don't let myself have more than like 2 coffees a week. I know some people think that's a bit weird, but I don't want to ever be addicted to coffee. I just thought I'd pop on here, end this vlog. I'm sorry it's kind of a weird, abrupt ending, but you know, c'est la vie. I have linked Coco and Eve down below. I have used it actually again since. I actually used it last night. Look at how soft my hair looks. I'm completely hooked. I'm completely obsessed with it. So I've linked Coco and Eve down below. Highly recommend. Really great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.